clear areas for each person. Are you constantly correcting your partner at work? Maybe you can resonate with Hazel and Matthew's story in their laundry shop business. You see, they have a boundary problem. Si Hazel would interrupt Matthew when he talks to suppliers. Bakit ka bumili niyan? Dapat ito. And Matthew would correct Hazel when she talks to customers. Huwag mong sabihin yan, sabihin mo ito. They could not stop themselves kasi iniisip nila, couple naman kami, dapat alam namin lahat ng work ng isa't isa. Kaya itong constant na interference, that was killing their productivity and their peace. How to address this? Create clear areas where the other person does not interfere unless help is asked. So Hazel took full ownership of people and promotions, and Matthew naman managed operations and maintenance. Kaya for big decisions, they discussed together. Pension plans, hiring decisions, buying new machines, pricing strategies, at saka long-term goals. Kapag nasa area ng isa, the other stays quiet unless there's an emergency or help is requested. At first, ang hirap. Hazel wanted to change delivery schedules. Matthew wanted to edit their promos, but they practiced respecting each area. What happened? Trust nag-grow. Work got done faster. Helpers naman became more efficient because there were no conflicting orders na. At ang pinaka-importante, hindi na sila nag-aaway. So, take note anak ha. Set clear areas in your business. Write them down. Let your partner be the expert in their area. Trust them. You don't need to do everything and you don't need to know everything because this frees up your mind, your time, and your relationship. Let's be business-minded, Pinoy.